Okay, we've created a volunteer in the system, we've created an animal in the system, and now we are going to assign volunteers to help Cassie get rescued. The easiest way to do that is to simply come up here to one of these buttons and figure out which role this animal needs most right now. And let's say, for the sake of argument, that the most important thing that Cassie needs is to find a foster home. So all I have to do is tap this button here, assign to foster home finders. And what you can see over here is the system has chosen two people to help Cassie find a foster home. The system looks at which volunteers are the least busy, the ones that have the fewest number of animals that they're helping, and assigns them to whatever animal you are working on. So in this case, it's Marcus and Jason, me. So now we know that these two guys are helping Cassie, but how do we communicate with them? So that's what this box over here is for. This is called the volunteer actions box, and this shows each volunteer, and there's a couple links for each one. Prompt the volunteer and unassign the volunteer. So when I click prompt, it is going to send a text message to the volunteer and ask them if they can start helping. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to jump over here first and just show you what this says. So it says, Jason, foster home finder is ready to begin. Now, here I'm going to prompt Jason by clicking that, and Rescuebot up here says the volunteer was prompted, and now there's a difference here in this box. Now it says Jason, foster home finder, was asked if home search can begin. That means that Rescuebot has sent a text message to my phone, and it says, can you start looking for a foster home for Cassie? Please reply yes 11 or no 11. And then I can just reply with that. And let's say I'll say, yes, I am able to help Cassie. So here on my phone, I'm going to type yes 11. And it's not 11 for everyone. It's the unique number of that particular assignment. So for me, it's yes 11. If it was Marcus, it might be like yes 12, or it might be no 12 if he's not able to help. But the point is that the number that the volunteer needs to send back will be in the text message that they receive. So I'm going to just send yes 11 back to Rescuebot. Rescuebot gets that message and sends me another text. Says, great, please start the search. I'll check in again later. Now, if I reload this screen, you'll see that Rescuebot has updated what is going on with Jason, because now it says Jason, foster home finder, says home search has started. This is how Rescuebot automates the communication with each volunteer. You prompt volunteers with these links, asking them an automated question via SMS. They respond with a yes or a no, and then Rescuebot receives their answer and updates their status here on the animal's page. In this way, you can very easily tell who is doing what and what is the last thing you asked them about. One final thing about the volunteer actions box over here is you can see that it says less than 1 hour. That means that a Rescuebot sent Jason a text message less than an hour ago. That's important to know so that you don't just kind of carpet bomb people with a lot of text messages. First of all, it's annoying. We want to give people a chance to read the message and respond to it. And second of all, every time Rescuebot sends a text message, it costs us a little bit of money. So we want to use this feature. We just want to use it judiciously so that the costs don't kind of pile up past our ability to kind of take care of it. And finally, there's a little link here next to each volunteer. Unassign the volunteer. If someone can't help the animal, or they want to work on a different animal or have a different role, all you do is just tap the link that says unassign. So I'll unassign Marcus here. I click unassign Marcus D, and now it says volunteer Marcus Detry was unassigned. And if you come over here to foster home finders, this little box, now Marcus is not listed there. Now it just says Jason, foster home finder, and then the last thing that I said yes to. So this is the control center of all the volunteers and all their actions that they're doing to help rescue the animal.